automated inspection confirms every machined component meets strict production tolerances. Every approved component is carefully positioned for the next phase of manufacturing.
Each armor plate is handled with extreme precision before entering the manufacturing process.
Every component is documented and tracked to maintain strict military manufacturing standards. Proper storage protects every raw material until production begins. Only carefully verified materials move forward into the tank manufacturing line. Every armor plate is thoroughly cleaned before precision fabrication begins. Strict inspection ensures that only approved materials enter the production process. The raw materials are now ready to begin their transformation into one of the world's most advanced main battle tanks. An organized logistics network keeps every component moving safely and efficiently through the production facility.
Heavy lifting systems position each armor section with remarkable precision.
Continuous material flow minimizes delays and maintains production efficiency. Every component is staged in the correct sequence before fabrication begins. Specialized transport equipment safely delivers the heaviest components to their assembly locations. Precise scheduling keeps every stage of production synchronized. Accurate positioning is essential before fabrication of the tank structure can begin. With logistics complete, the manufacturing line is fully prepared for precision fabrication. A constant flow of certified materials keeps the Abrams production line operating without interruption. Every shipment undergoes controlled handling before entering the manufacturing workflow. Every critical component is verified before it becomes part of an M1 Abrams tank. Buffer storage maintains a continuous supply of materials for uninterrupted production. Accurate alignment ensures every cut begin from an exact engineering reference. The fabrication line is now ready to transform raw armor into precision-engineered components. Perfect coordination between machines and skilled workers drives modern armored vehicle manufacturing. The transformation from raw armor plate to precision tank structure has officially begun. Controlled cooling stabilizes each armor section before surface preparation continues. Every armor component is thoroughly cleaned to ensure a contamination-free manufacturing process.
Complete drying prepares every armor section for accurate inspection and classification.
Clean surfaces are essential for precision fabrication and reliable structural performance. Sorting ensures every component reaches the correct production station at the right time. Dimensional accuracy is verified before fabrication advances to the next stage. Every approved component is carefully positioned for the next phase of manufacturing. With preparation complete, the armor sections are ready for precision machining that shapes the foundation of the M1 Abrams tank. Precision machining transforms raw armor into accurately engineered structural components. Every mounting point is machined with exceptional precision to meet military engineering standards. Finished edges improve assembly accuracy and prepare the armor for structural joining. Automated inspection confirms every machined component meets strict production tolerances. The prepared armor sections now begin forming the structural foundation of the Abrams hull. Internal structural components provide the strength required for modern armored combat vehicles. Perfect alignment ensures every structural connection achieves maximum strength and precision. With every component precisely aligned, the transformation into the legendary M1 Abrams battle tank is ready to begin.
Precision robotic welding permanently joins the armor sections into the foundation of the M1 Abrams hull.
Internal structural reinforcements provide the exceptional strength required for battlefield operations. Every weld is carefully executed to achieve maximum structural integrity. Controlled rotation allows complete access for inspection and continued assembly. Advanced inspection systems verify that every structural joint meets rigorous manufacturing standards. Critical suspension mounting points are installed with exceptional positional accuracy. Surface finishing prepares the completed hull for major component integration. The armored hull is now complete and ready to receive the advanced systems that will transform it into a fully operational M1 Abrams battle tank. The completed hull enters an advanced automated assembly system where precision integration begins.
Automated installation ensures every suspension component is mounted with exceptional precision.
The vehicle structure is prepared to receive its powerful propulsion system. Every structural connection is verified through automated precision fastening. Internal support structures create the foundation for the vehicle's advanced onboard systems. Continuous automated inspection guarantees exceptional assembly accuracy. Advanced automation allows every stage of Abrams production to operate as one coordinated manufacturing system. With automated integration complete, the M1 Abrams advances to its final stages of precision manufacturing. Precision finishing creates a uniform surface ready for protective coating and final assembly. A perfectly clean surface is essential before the protective finish is applied. Automated coating systems provide long-lasting protection for the armored structure. Carefully controlled curing strengthens the protective coating before final integration. Final structural components complete the exterior of the armored vehicle. Attention to detail ensures every finished surface meets exact production standards. Final production verification confirms the vehicle is ready for comprehensive quality testing. Precision manufacturing is complete, and the M1 Abrams now advances to its final quality assurance stage. Every completed hull undergoes a meticulous visual inspection before advanced testing begins. Automated laser measurement verifies that every structural dimension matches exact engineering specifications. Every structural weld is thoroughly examined to ensure long-term durability and reliability. Critical mechanical assemblies are carefully verified before the vehicle proceeds to final certification. Comprehensive electronic diagnostics confirm reliable communication across integrated vehicle systems. Every stage of production is documented before final manufacturing approval is granted. After meeting every production requirement, the vehicle is cleared for final preparation and delivery. With quality assurance complete, the M1 Abrams enters its final stage before delivery.
After passing every inspection, the completed M1 Abrams enters the final logistics preparation stage.
Every completed vehicle is carefully documented and prepared for military delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce the U.S. Army M1 Abrams tank from beginning to end.